Sal y luz en el mundo. Be the salt and the light of the world. The LLDA, especially the stakeholders, would like to introduce something that is different now, something that will provide a sustainable development and be the light, especially mentioning at this point the dare and bold move of our floating solar proponents. It has somehow tailored a different path. Electricity will be provided by them, and this will provide the light, mainly, particularly as a starting point in Laguna. So as the sun sets in the west of Laguna de Bay, there will be continuous electricity that will be provided and help improve the communities, help improve tourism, and will also improve the development which are being aspired for also by the adjacent local government units.
Napakarami sa ating mga mamamayan ang kumukuha ng kanilang ikebubuhay sa lawa ng Laguna at mahalagang alalahanin na kaakibat ng anumang kapakinabangan ay ang responsibilidad na pamangalagaan ang mga kayamanang ipinagkaloob sa lawang ito.
Because of our love of the lake, when we were kids, I think I was 12 years old, 20 of us cousins, lahat kami ang pendant namin isda. Because our parents wanted us to remember and be grateful for the lake, of what it gave us.
Stakeholders empowerment amidst challenging times. Sabay-sabay para sa Laguna de Bay, bantay kaunlaran, kabuhayan at kalikasan. Underscores the importance of collaboration and unity in environmental conservation.
The Office of the President has approved the Executive Order number 18, constituting Green Lanes for Strategic Investment. Dito po nagsimula ang partnership namin ng LLDA. The LLDA has been one of the primary partners in the implementation of EO 18. The floating solar projects being implemented within the jurisdiction of the LLDA has been the pilot projects to be endorsed as strategic investment under EO 18. BOI support LLDA's effort and reforms to improve the investment climate through effective and efficient investment facilitation. BOI and LLDA shall pursue further collaboration in providing excellent investors assistance.
Ako po kami na kami ay mga hawa. Hahawahin namin ang ibang taga-komunidad, ang iba pang mga Pilipino sa pagmamalasakit. We promise to help. We promise to do our best.
Pinagmamalaki po namin na isang malaking bagay na nakakapag-supply po kami ng isda sa inyong hapag.
Maraming salamat po, and we hope that the fishing industry in Laguna Lake will be one and together with you as we celebrate more years of LLDA for our nation. Thank you very much. Magandang umaga po.
Looking through the waters of Laguna de Bay, we see life, a source of profit through sustainable development. We also see hope for the people, the industries, and to all its stakeholders that she is here to stay. And lastly, we also see peace, a kind of peace essential to heal our heart, body, and soul.
We extend our wholehearted support and appreciation to all LLDA organizations, recognizing the essential role in advancing our mission and values as we, the employees' workforce, is one of the significant stakeholders that play a very important role in ensuring the sustainable development, management, and protection of the Laguna de Bay and the environment.
Laguna de Bay is vital to our country's socio-economic development. It is offering a myriad of ecosystem services that impact the lives and livelihoods of surrounding communities, as well as those way beyond its immediate perimeter. Resources and biodiversity are essential to food and energy security. As you know, the lake sustains livelihood opportunities in fishery sector. It is source of industrial and domestic water supply, and it plays a crucial role in transportation, tourism, irrigation, and to our energy transition to renewable energy towards low-carbon development.
As we go our separate ways and return to our different roles and usual duties and responsibilities, let us carry with us our pledge and commitment to empower, support, and collaborate. Let us stand united, empowering one another as we chart a path towards a more sustainable and resilient future for Laguna de Bay and all of its stakeholders.